Hey YouTube! This is my first ever YouTube review, and today we're going to be reviewing the Crazy Skates Evoke. These bad boys right here. I've been waiting for these skates, y'all, for a whole week, so this is long overdue. Let's get right into it. So the skates come in this box that say Evoke on it. And they're packaged really well. I ordered these, I would say about 5 days ago. So they took 5 days to come to me. So that's not too long. And you get this pretty case that says Evoke on it. And a luggage tag right there. Moment of truth, let's open it. So, first impressions, one of the skates comes in a beautiful dust bag like this. And on the dust bag, it says Evoke on it, which is really beautiful. And let's see, you only get one dust bag for one skate because I think the idea is just to, if one skate is covered, then the other, it won't dirty the other skate, something like that. Ah, the Evoke. Ooh. I got these in black. And let's see. Okay, all the wheels are super tight. So those are gonna need to be loosened. They feel really nice. Now, I do not have the Moxie lollies, but these are supposed to be a really great comparison to them. But to me, they seem almost closer to the jackboot, the Moxie jackboot skates, because they're firmer up here. They're more structured. It's a more structured skate than the Moxie Lolly because that one seems like really flimsy and it has the hole cut out. These don't have that. Gray toe stops, black wheels, aluminum plates. Let's see, and these are outdoor wheels for sure. Let's see. Now, I definitely am not feeling these laces, so I already bought some, and I bought some new wheels as well. But you see it has this crazy metal plate at the heel, and it has crazy on the tongue, and it even has crazy. Can you guys see that? On the inside. I'm gonna try these on because I'm scared, y'all. I don't know if I got the right size or what. Well, before I try them on, I'll tell you guys how much I spent. Now, these are expensive, honey. These are not cheap. These are not the cheap skates, boo-boo. These are the expensive skates. I paid, they're actually on sale. They're cheaper on the Crazy Skates website than they are on Amazon or any other retailer that I could find, including that Pigeon Skate Shop, which I don't shop there. I actually got these on the Crazy Skate website and they were listed at the time for $259.99 plus tax, plus shipping, plus everything. They came to about $270. $270, honey. So pretty penny, but they feel very quality. So I got them in a size women's 10, so it's a men's 9, women's 10. So I'm hoping that that's not too big and it's just enough room. But let me try it real quick. Ooh, okay, so I'm not gonna try it because there's paper in here. What a dummy. I'm like, these don't fit. How about you take the paper out, girl? That might help. Let's try this again. Ah, they fit. They fit, you guys. One thing I just noticed, I just tried to take my foot out and the sole of the shoe, or the inside part, is like loosening up and coming out, which I'm not a fan of that, but so far so good. I think I'm definitely gonna keep these. Like, they were expensive, and you know, usually when I get something expensive, I like to see if I really want it, because you know, I will send it back, girl. But no, I think I like these. I'm really impressed so far. I do have a pair of skates that I could compare these to, and so far they're actually pretty comparable. I have the Candi Girl skates. Here are the Candi Girl skates. These are the original wheels that they came with. I just added purple laces because, you know, that's me. And these are still in really good condition, but they were too small. They ran too small. They squeezed my foot, and I just can't be out here skating and my foot is cramping up. Like, no. So these were my babies. They were a lot cheaper. This is my first pair of skates that I ever owned and purchased and, you know, bought myself. Candi Girl. And these are considered like derby skates. They do come with outdoor wheels as well, but they're like hybrid indoor outdoor wheels. I did change the bearings, I believe, to roller bones bearings, and I'm gonna do the same for my crazy skates, my crazy Evoke skates. But yeah, these were the Candi Girl skates, and they run small. I have the exact same size. Oh, I'm lying. I have a 9 in these, a women's 9 in these, and I have a women's 10 in the crazy skates. So guess I just don't know my own foot. But yes, if you guys get these, I would recommend them. They were only $100. They're cheaper. But to me, even though I got the wrong size, they were still like, they run small. Like, my mom wears an 8 and she can fit these. So I would say go a size up, girl. Go a size up. But what I feel like is similar between both of these skates is the boot. Like, the boot is kind of thick and not very malleable, which I like because it's more ankle support. So your girl doesn't run out here and twist her ankle and be on crutches for some days. So yeah, these are similar in the boot. They're both, you know, the kind of faux suede texture. This has a bolted on toe stop, and this has an adjustable toe stop, which I will be removing, customizing, and putting on the Twinkle Toes toe stop, but it just hasn't arrived yet. So if you guys want me to do a video of how I trick these out, because they will be getting tricked out, that will come soon. But yeah, I'm trying to think what else I can say about these skates. So far, I really like them. I'm gonna do a couple clips of me skating around so y'all can see how these perform and function. I actually bought the Sure Grip boardwalk skates that look very similar to this. They just don't have this trim going around or this silver plate in the back. And I bought those from Amazon, and they came to me, child, so fast in one day, and they were scuffed. All of the beautiful black suede that was on those boardwalk skates was scuffed on both the outer parts and the toes. So you know I had to send those back, because it's okay if I scuff them, but it's not okay for them to come brand new to me scuffed. And those ones were price difference of about $50. So those ones were $200. These are like $250, $260. So yeah, I liked the boardwalk skates. I love the style. I liked how they looked. But they were scuffed, girl. And you know, every single roller skate is sold out right now. The only reason why these are in stock is because I hear that they're new, like they were just released. I watched a few reviews, and you know, they're available. They're in stock right now, so you can get them now. They come in black, purple, and a teal color, like blue, green, teal color. And yeah, let me just stop talking and get to showing y'all these skates. Showing you guys that after testing out the skates, I did decide to upgrade the wheels and bearings to these Rollerbones Miami wheels. They are 80A and the bearings are considered a 9. The wheels that came on the skates are their bearings are 7 and the wheels are 78A. So the Rollerbones wheels are a little bit harder, only by slightly, but you can see with the quick spin test that the bearings are a lot smoother, they roll for a lot longer, so it's going to be less effort for me to push and skate. But yeah.